What's up, everybody? So today I'm gonna show you how to convert your old lights to LED. And I was having problem with this. When I would put the LED on, it would stay on, and I didn't know that I needed these. These were lifesavers, man. These really helped me. These are resistors, load resistors, LED load resistors, and you can find these at AutoZone, O'Reilly. And it turns out that they stay on. So I was a little confused of what was going on here. So it turns out that these old school bikes have the old school relay, and that my turn signal stays on. Yeah. You might not be able to see it, but it doesn't blink. That turn signal. Well, you can see I removed both turn signals. They're just ugly. Eventually, I'm gonna move the fender, convert it into a bopper. And this is my left turn signal. It blinks. As you can see, it stays on. But either you can change the relay switch, or you can add these load resistors. Come in handy. So I'm gonna add this load resistor. And by adding that load resistor, makes your turn signal blink. You can hear the old school relay. That's when you have the old school mechanical relay. If you switch out your relay to an electronic LED relay, you'll be able to switch out all your turn signals to LED. But since I only want to change the back ones for now, I'm sticking with that load resistor, and I have two, so for each turn signal.